Deaf, dirty bad mind, mama do you so? Be a negative, you just a carry.
In the name of God, please. What do I need? Please subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg in the name of God, subscribe to this channel.
That'll be a real attempt.
Which one of them?
What the man hang up?
Oh, yeah, man. My brethren, man, me that my brethren, man.
Jealous. That man was
Me that
jealous.
my brethren, man. You know, say sometimes when you're a boy and you see some man plant some big ground, you know, big cane
Him
field,
jealous,
pine
man. You make
field,
a talk to him.
only
still
for
talk
cane
about
and
him.
pine and something for something over there, you know.
Yeah.
So like him, man, I said to him, say, boy, you know, man, nobody come over here so come cut no 9 cane and something them. So he tell himself,
See
say,
that?
look here, you see them cane and pine, yeah?
Look, see.
Yeah, me I tell you about such man, you know, where make him nice pine ground, no nice sugar cane, big long cane over there, you know. You know, young boy as you all over your past and see cane and pine, you must want them one, you know. Got them rice too, you know. So you go and feel like you go want one of them pine, one of them there, you know, but all the while is my man here pass over there, so them a look over the car here where the brother you do have the pine field. Him get some heap of bucket with some blue water tie up there, you know, out of the gate.
Yeah.
And you have one little old dolly baby head, tie from piece of string. And you have one little dog head over there, so for one of the piece of stick.
So what do we have for?
Yeah, and you have some little buckle
Yeah.
and some little something stick up over there with that one little piece of whole cloth hang up and, you know, fix like one scarecrow over there. So, yeah, look and see all the heap of something they hang up in and feel, and I feel like saying, yeah, man, they one little obvious man in here. Now go and cut no 9 cane and pick no 9 pine.
No.
So my brethren I pass every day and I see big ripe pine and afraid to go over there. No, enough man nah looking at that man ground, you know, because they must say my science man, you know.
Yeah.
We have all one little coffin where look like that black there, you know, so the coffin shape and small, you know, when make and put for one little place.
Yeah.
Right hand ground gate where you walk go in. So you not go even want pass this, so you know, as a youth, you know, and pine over there, you know, man.
Yeah.
And cane, you know. So, man say, oh, one of the day my brethren say my past, they don't want to see them big, nice, ripe pine and tell himself, so, you know, me have to go dead today. Because me I go over there, go get one of them pine and go and eat one good cane. So, man say, him take up 2 big stone, you know. So him say him walk go up to the back of the blue buckle with a big buckle blue with some blue water in it. Him say him don't know if a piece or a but a blue liquid in there. He say first big stone in the buckle, you know. That's bus and water splash. Him say him see little dolly baby head tie up. Him say he dolly baby head a blood clot liquid with a big stone to string and dolly baby head. Where y'all look for me so far and a swing and a watch me. He say just give him a big stone string pop off a way down there so him drop. So him tell himself say, from me hand no stiff up in the air or not, no do me good then.
Yeah.
So him say, so him step over there, you know, and go cut cane and broke pine, you know, kind man. And himself say, oh, them are just fake.
Yeah.
You hang up them, you feel fuckery.
Yeah.
Man saying, give dolly baby a blood clot liquid a big stone a way down there so that drop, you know, man. And broke brew buckle of water, fling with old dog head.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
man
a
say,
good
everything
start.
in a trouble like little coffee. I say, not just feel like that.
Yeah.
You know, no wine in
He
a
doesn't know why that is.
pass, go over,
So where you
straight
keep that
down.
in for?
Oh, you mean, you know, saying I watch him. He swing and I look pan him. Saying he got blood clot with a big stone.
Yeah, that's a good
Pop off
start.
a string and way down there so he drop. Man say, this a fake. Man say, what cane and pine in there now, you know, man. Can't find say a free flow if you go over there now, you know.
So every man can am free, you know.
Everybody can go near cane and pine, man. Man say, make up his mind for dead today, you know.
Yeah, most.
First, my brethren say, my brethren are one little left hand man too, you know.
Make up mind for dead over cane and pine.
Yeah, man say, I want cane for eat and pine.
Make up mind for dead over man.
So if you go lick down Dolly baby,
Dolly baby, today him a go know.
I'm all dead, man.
Yeah, him going know today.
You could have dropped flesh, you know.
You know
Fuck.
trouble, man.
No trouble, him.
You know trouble.
Could have dropped flesh.
Make a try, man.
That a big stone, you see, brother. Man say that did he look pan him to and a swing pan string. Blood clot, lick and pop him off a string and rock it
That
over there, so.
catch that big stone.
I'm thinking back for him. You fuck.
Dead before him, you know.
Let me, Then the phone fling him,
How
man.
many man want pine and cane, man? Man have to go over the cat. Remember, if you're a boy, you'll do it to you, cat when you're a boy, you know, box up it and go over the gun and pine.
Yeah,
What you mean?
them down here.
What you mean?
Come on, most of them
One
are
half
here.
of them and go over the go eat pine and cane, man. I see them all the while I look for me out the road, so. No mad. Some man skill, you know, when they work them growing up, so they don't want you to go over the go trouble nothing, you know, you jelly them, you know. Yeah, man, I
They
didn't
call
jelly, man.
man trick bird, you know.
Right,
Right.
right.
Yam down in wheat field.
Exactly, and
Yeah.
in
Trick you
gungo.
as the man to
Yeah,
feel teeth.
finno con teeth.
So where they use on chick bird?
Now scarecrow.
Scarecrow.
Or they make one sit like man.
Like man, put
Oh.
up in the field, put on shirt, pan him and hat,
Yeah,
and he
so-
stand up in a field stay. So all you will fool you too, you know.
Yeah.
If you are thief, you know.
Yeah.
A farmer man said that I'm thief.
That's true, man.
Let me not say we fool you if you are thief.
He fool teeth
You
too.
fool thief too.
Yeah.
In a man field. All you can't feel, where bird lie. Then put up that in a
Yeah,
field,
some
man.
man make it good enough.
Yeah, man. You
So
can
man,
real
make
man
it
for
look
sure.
like real somebody
I'm
too,
see
you know.
them already, man.
Exactly.
That's why I say,
With all them machete, you know.
Yeah,
Have in jacket and in felt hat, you know.
can't look in their face. You can't see in their face.
Yeah, man, your face, there's somebody in the ground there. So you're not going in, man. You have an in dark hat, man. You can't see no face. You have an in
But
dark
them
hat.
chop you up, man.
Yeah, man. So go over there and chop you up, man.
So, bro.
You tell yourself, you
Yeah.
know, correct?
Yeah, man. Bird that tell himself that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So such man know what that catch you.
This side, fit dead.
In
Yeah.
this side, say all them little fake something here where we have here today tie up me, I gonna know if them real.
So, we can never lick it off, right? You teach that lick
You
first.
ain't saying no trouble little box.
The box and the drugs.
You ain't no trouble that box.
Look like a D and Jack.
Pass go over. Go eat and him pop off dolly baby after spring and bust blue box of water.
In
And
good.
man just rub out one blue ball of blue in some water and the water turn blue, you know. You just tie up your up there. And put it down and you're not passing, you know. If
You're
you're
not
a wrong
passes.
thief, you know. You're not trouble it. I have say that man, you have a trick you and kill you.
Science a work,
Yeah,
man.
in there, set up and ground, you know, you know, look over there. But that brother, the brave man. Me would have considered good still all that dolly baby the way I look for me, you know. Me would have afraid Phil Papi half a
You
spring,
mean,
you know.
we're afraid to lick this.
Me not trouble in either too.
Him brave man.
Me not trouble it. They're hard for me trouble it.
Real brave for sure.
Almost like enough of we go there and we see it and we decide, say, boy, you know, we are going there today. Whether this something set there, yes or no, we are going to test it.
If you're hungry, you kill that dolly baby.
But if you're hungry, the right way,
Kill
you
it,
know,
man.
yeah,
Like a that gets something.
you will go over
My
there.
plan to kill this.
Yeah, yeah.
Get me hungry and see food. me
Brought
hungry.
this far.
Man, you will go the right way, you know. Yes, no man. Man, come aside, take up. And let long just the same. Bumbo wall. Yes,
I
sir.
was that.
Big bumbo cloth, 100-foot taking and pound weight.
I was that.
Why? No, what one blood clot? You can't even mix matter.
Yeah, I will have to show you how to mix it.
And that's what them put in. Yeah.
Professional labor, man.
Ready, brother? I'm going to take on the walking.
Yes. No.
I'm not trouble with you know, too, so you might have something up there.
You know you now watch that?
What?
None of them girls ever me ask now.
No. We're not that. Me I tell you how week when we are the back rail.
Yeah, car when I take some little back, girl.
That far half a tree.
Some little hungry girl where you come
No.
directly to
She
the
not hungry.
$2,000 tonight.
She not hungry.
Yeah, man.
No.
And me good man cannot come to me now when you stop him. No, man, now that's
But
it.
suppose it's in there just
I
like
must read.
no, not real.
Aye, yeah.
We don't hide it.
No, that can't go on, brother. No man, no more than me, you know.
Move it.
Can't win me, man, so.
Back rail, the
You
back
know,
rail.
I hear them in a bed, I'm confident to not come from my straight to me.
Right.
You can't stop him on the road, you have to hold him up.
Can't stop him.
You want police to
Hold up,
shoot you.
Look at if you have a limousine, we go throw them a
Me
big
a walk,
limousine.
me a walk foot and you come with your limousine. You can't move
A
it.
joker.
Foot me a
A
walk.
joker, man.
Me a tell you.
A joker.
Me have my little land car.
Brother,
You can't
What?
move it.
Anchor?
Yeah.
See, the man anchor, it have a boss, yeah.
Remember, I'm a lemon tree and cat.
Yeah, brother.
Get him, you know.
If I can't, then
No care what you do.
No, man, remember when we tell him, you know, I'm a glad him,
I'm not going to try to show you. Now, why I know, no? You know, I'm not going to use and find out and kill him after all that to do, you know. And shoot him. Right? To find out the personality of the person. Where she lie, and where she not lie. And that's if I live a money.
Can't get that time with my woman.
Can't do it?
No, sir, I not get that time with my woman.
That joke, brother.
Are you come too?
Yeah.
Brother, I'm telling you.
Oh, you get that time there?
Let me tell you something.
So hold on, for me woman like honey, I mean used to buy one little glass of honey.
Yeah.
You go buy one big
Big,
bottle.
I will tell you.
You can't get it. No, me and him near out that honey and when it done him tell you, you go buy more.
You
Right.
know my honey,
Oh, yeah,
when me buy,
Yeah, yeah.
oh, cat near my honey,
Brr.
Then that me say.
you must lick your brain.
No,
Now when
when
me buy,
you buy her.
hmm?
A price you buy
You
her.
let me know that you are eat out the
You
honey
just
when me
not
buy.
buy no more.
No man,
Where you go?
me a buy honey and grandma do honey.
So you not give me to me woman.
No, can you lick it?
I don't lick it.
Yeah.
Man used to buy this big bottle of honey, me and him.
No man,
Come with people who just carry big bottle of honey, then I'm here
brother,
to
me say, me
And
a
me
lick
and
your
him
way.
So what on?
Let
Money I go there and me not drink none.
Just if you just sit back one side and say, man, go and drink
You
honey,
hear
man,
how
and
me
fatten
not go drink
yourself.
none of the honey there.
Understand it, bro?
You see if you and him a kid,
Yeah.
I fear and him money that.
That's the only way of not
But
drink
my
now.
man just a yam out your money now honey.
Mm-hmm.
So me and him a drink this brother.
Yeah, man.
Because you can't get me woman. Sure you can't buy one bigger bottle of honey. You get fucked. You can't get me woman.
That's a good style.
Enough time went on a little bit of
Play
poor and
something,
not
man.
something and a struggle, you know.
Honey.
Yeah.
Me go some place with some nice girl and some man did they through they have their money.
I feel like you can't get this.
They them a go home with a girl at tonight and can't get a talk.
Not even talk.
Blood clot down and a girl and all them have family. I mean him all about. And they don't know the one who has bread.
Mm-mm.
Some people don't when we go know when we go with a woman and a man see me and this woman. A badness them have to use, but no man can't take a woman.
Yeah.
Take a woman.
You're not so big.
Me not deal with that kind of woman.
Mm-mm.
If you see one like a prettier light a shine over this one though.
Jump gun, yeah.
You're mad.
Gold digger.
A
No, me
reflection.
not deal with that kind of woman there, but.
A gold digger, they out there, you know.
Yeah, them out there. Me deal with them, you know.
Buck them up too, man.
Personal, that's me and them are going up, so.
Yeah, man, we buck them up red-handed, man.
Yeah, man.
And we say, oh, yeah, gold digger post so well.
I'm on a nerve,
Yeah.